Hi, I'm Abianne, and I'm the founder of Cat Spring Yaupon. So what is Yaupon? Simply, it's our only source of caffeine native to North America. It's a holly, it's a cousin of yerba mate. She grows prolifically wild here in Texas and is delicious. Yaupon was consumed for millennia. Its natural growing region is basically the Gulf Coast, from Texas all the way to Florida. So virtually every tribe along the Gulf Coast had a tradition with Yaupon, and it was even traded all over North America. They found trace amounts of it in ceremonial pottery all the way up to Cahokia in St. Louis and down into Arizona and Colorado. Unfortunately, with the eradication of a lot of the native drinkers and then the forced relocation, it's been a total loss of legacy. For example, I'm a citizen of the Chickasaw Nation, and we had a tradition with Yaupon back in Mississippi, but it doesn't grow on the res in Oklahoma. And so we've had this total interruption of tradition and a loss of legacy. Growing up in Cat Spring, I have always known Yaupon. Everyone in our region does. We're keeping it off trails and fence lines and out of pastures. But it wasn't until the drought of 2011, which is the driest year in recorded Texas history, and where we were here in Cat Spring, we were losing 100-year-old oak trees. Everything looked scorched earth, and the only thing that wasn't dying was Yaupon. And intrigued, I was like, what is it about this plant? Why is it the only thing that is still somewhat green? And that's when we started to uncover this legacy. And then also there were some studies coming out of Texas A&M and the University of Florida that were demonstrating its amazing phytochemical properties. Like tea, there's hundreds of ways that we could be preparing Yaupon. The thing that is different with Yaupon is there's no tannins. And so unlike traditional imported tea, you can't oversteep it. It also means that it doesn't have that astringency or bite that you're trying to cut. We work with landowners and we harvest wild growth. It's a managed wild growth, so it's certified organic, regenerative organic, and kosher. And the way that works is we'll come into the field, we harvest it, and then we bring it back to our facility. I believe we are stewards of Yaupon, and I believe that Yaupon is a catalyst for restoration in our land, in our bodies, in our community, and in our industry. And so what does that look like? For our land, she should be here. She's native, but she should be in balance. And so what we've piloted and are starting to implement is a grassland and rewilding restoration that we do alongside our harvest. So as we're harvesting, we're doing clearing and land management conservation practices to bring restoration and help return our region to a steady state ecosystem.